Viewers, today we're very fortunate to be at ARB's international distribution plant here in Thailand, and I'm with Managing Director of the Thailand plant for ARB, Ben Mitchell. Now Ben, we're standing next to some very flash-looking shock absorbers. Can you give me a bit of the background behind this product?
Absolutely. So this is where the magic happens. This is where we make BP51, a product that's been 4 years in the making, and we're really excited. This is a very high precision, high quality product, and to be able to manufacture that here in our facility, we've had to draw on the best suppliers of both machinery and raw material from around the world so that we can get the product that we want. The extrusion that goes into making the body for these shock absorbers is very, very complex. In addition to that, we have to use the highest quality equipment from around the world. So we've worked with suppliers from Japan, from the US, from here in Thailand and from Australia as well. And we've had to bring all of that together so that we can make a product that is designed, engineered and 100% manufactured by ARB.
So really the design has come out of Australia for this, hasn't it?
Yes, it has. We've spent 4 years working on this design. It's been a really exciting process working through from the initial concept until we finally got a product here that we can put on a vehicle, and our customers will be very happy with the results.
But we've also in the off-road racing scene with bypass shock absorbers. This in effect is its own bypass but a fresh design.
Absolutely. So the principle of bypass technology in suspension is not a new thing, but the packaging for this product is new. We've applied it into a single shock absorber that you can fit into a standard production vehicle, so that a customer of a Hilux, Ranger, standard vehicle that you buy from an OE, you can put these into your car. So being able to take that big bulky suspension system that you talk about in racing buggies and put it into a small shock absorber that will fit under a standard vehicle is new, and it's something that we're really excited about.
Now around the world we're seeing quite a few of these small size, compact, coil-over, very flash-looking aluminium bodied shock absorbers, but they don't have the technology that matches these, do they?
No, absolutely not. So what we've got is full compression and rebound adjustment, as well as using aircraft grade aluminium to make sure we've got high quality, high adjustability and high resilience, so the performance of the shock absorber will be fantastic for our customers. ARB is all about premium quality products, so this is now bringing the top of the range suspension available for our customers, for those people that want extra performance, extra flexibility and extra quality.
Now whilst we are here in Thailand, this is all Australian owned, and the manufacturing process, the plant that is here is quite substantial.
Yes, so we've got a large manufacturing facility here in Thailand. In fact, we're made up of 2 sites, but it is 100% Australian owned, as you've said, so we are part of the ARB Corporation. And myself, I'm an Australian, proud to be Australian, proud to work for an Australian company. We have a number of Australians working here, but working very closely with the Australian team. So every day we're working with the engineers, the manufacturing people in Australia to make sure that the products that we make here are identical in terms of quality and process coming out of Australia.
And specifically for this product, there's quite a bit of machinery, new machinery in this facility.
We've had to invest a significant amount of money to make sure we can get the quality that we need. We're working with tolerances in the microns, so we can't afford to be using low quality equipment. We've got to use the best quality equipment in the world.
And where has the testing and development been done for the product on vehicles?
So the initial prototypes when we were designing the product were manufactured in Australia using support from our suppliers, but since then we've been making the prototypes here in Thailand, sending them back to Australia for full testing and verification, making any minor design changes, and then getting towards making a production product like this.
So all of the componentry right throughout this shock absorber is an absolute premium grade.
We're working with the highest quality aluminium. We're working with the highest quality rubber that's going into the different components. We're using the highest quality shims. As I said before, we've had to work with suppliers from all around the world to find people that can meet our quality requirements so that we can get the product that our customers want. The process for manufacturing one of these shock absorbers is we start off with some raw aluminium. We machine that down to get the different components that we need. We then put it through an anodising process here in our facility as well, and it then comes in for assembly here in the assembly room. So everything from start with the raw material through to the fully assembled product happens here in our facility.
And right throughout the process there are a number of quality control tests that are done?
Because of the importance of these products being absolutely accurate, we have to check their measurements every way along the process. And one of the key steps along the way is putting it in the dyno. If anything is wrong in the production of these shocks, it will show up in the dyno, and then we go back through, work backwards, find out any issues, remake the shock, and we make sure we've got a product that works as it's supposed to.
Everybody can see that the product looks fantastic. I'm sure that everybody knows the name ARB and the standard of quality of the products made by ARB. The big question will be, what models will be available and how will we progress through the line of vehicles?
We are committed to developing a full range of products for popular four-wheel drive vehicles. and we're working through our most popular customer products step by step. So every individual shock absorber is designed specifically to work with that vehicle and that configuration. So whether you've got nothing on the vehicle or you've got a bull bar, you've got a bull bar and winch, we have different configurations that are available. So developing that for each individual vehicle takes time, but it ensures that we get the best result for each vehicle, therefore for every customer.
Well, Ben, just to finish off, thank you again for having us here at the plant. I think it's really important to note that whilst ARB is here manufacturing in Thailand, this has no impact or will not change any of the status of manufacturing for Australia in Australia at the Melbourne plant. But more so, this is a massive Australian success story. Australian products, an Australian company taking the best 4x4 accessories to the rest of the world.
Simon, you're right. I'm proud to be Australian, proud to be working for an Australian company, and the great benefit of us manufacturing here in Thailand is we've been able to grow the whole business. So this is not about taking away from Australia and putting into Thailand, this is about growing the whole corporation. So we are maintaining our manufacturing in Australia, and we're also maintaining our manufacturing here in Thailand. As you say, it's allowing us to expand and grow into the international market with the best products available.
Ben Mitchell, great to catch up with you once again, and thanks for touring us through the plant here in Thailand.
Thanks again for coming to see us, Simon. Great to have you.